So setup audit trails, how do we get that? So we go here and we go for setup, and you can see setup audit trails. So this is where you can view like what things have been modified in the org recently, so what your administrators are doing. You can go here and you see that a particular user has lost certain access or the page layout doesn't look right. So then you can come here and see who has made that change and how did that happen. The setup audit trail is just a way to investigate who is doing what in your Salesforce. As an administrator, they are modifying what metadata. If you have any questions, you can join the QA session, which happens every Friday. And please drop in your comments, feedback, and any questions in the comment section, and I'll get back to you.